Welcome back to another episode of It Tastes Right at Home. We are back with a summer recipe, great for those who love to support local farmers with produce, or maybe you have a garden of your own. Today we are making zucchini meatloaf. Let's get started. We're going to start how we always do and preheat that oven to 350 degrees. The great thing about this recipe is it's really just a dump recipe, so it's nice and easy and you can do it to your liking. To get started, we're going to chop up some delicious green onions. Next, what you want to do is you want to grab a medium-sized zucchini and you want to shred it up. Now, I used a food processor and I just dumped chunks in there and blended it up, but well, it's a good thing this is a dump recipe because I can't seem to find any of my measuring cups. So we're going to average out about 1 cup of shredded zucchini. Next, I'm going to just start adding ingredients to the bowl. So we're going to add our 1 cup of shredded zucchini, all of our green onions, 1 roll of ground meat. Now, I personally prefer ground turkey, but you can also use ground beef if you like. Then we're going to start adding all of our seasonings. I'm going to start with some paprika and just do what feels good to you. Some oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then we're going to finish it out with 1 egg. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to start mixing up all these ingredients together. Lastly, we need to add about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Now you're going to take your little concoction and you're going to put it into a loaf pan. Now we're going to pop this in the oven and we're going to bake it for 50 minutes. Now while that's baking, we are going to make the glaze for the top. So you're going to need ketchup. I prefer the no sugar added ketchup, but you can use any ketchup of your choice. Then last but not least to this mixture, we're going to add some brown sugar. Now again, I prefer 0 sugar, but you can use regular brown sugar if you would like. Give it a good mix. So once you pull it out of the oven, we're going to have to get out some of the extra fat and juices. So you're going to scrape off the top of it, and then you're going to empty out those extra juices into a container that you can throw away. Once you've done that, we're going to grab our glaze and we're going to put it on the top and then stick it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes.